Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you how to slime flip, like do a slime flip, So you first have to have slime. So I'm only gonna take a little bit, but like a lot at the same time. So this is my favorite butter slime, and the clay that I used for it was Model Magic, but it feels like I used Deso clay. But I didn't because I don't have Deso clay. I'm just gonna get a little bit more. Then I'm probably just gonna put it right here. So you go like this, and then so I'll do it a couple times. Except that's not how you do it. I mess up still. I'm still kind of learning. Anyways, you go like this. I keep going like that. Even I keep going. Okay, so I need my whole slime, apparently. So there we go. That's my whole slime. I'm just gonna put the container over there. With my headphones because yeah. So you go like this. Oh, this weighs a lot. Okay. So you go like this. So it goes like that. I don't know if you can understand right now. So it's actually pretty tricky to like, especially for me to learn, but yeah. I'm gonna do it maybe 2 more times, and just so you can do it. So I'm kind of messing up as well. So you go like this, first stretches it. Sometimes it might like, I don't know. The best slime to do it with, for me at least, in my opinion, is the butter. Because it's not like runny or, at least not this one. This one's super nice and I really like it. So you go like this, go like that, go like this, go like that. So you could do it this way, it just won't look right or seem right. So for me at least, I do it like this. See guys? It's actually pretty tricky still because, this butter slime is very nice because it doesn't stick to the couch. At least not mine, because mine's just like, not like one of those cotton couches, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I don't know what my material on my couch is made of, but that's not what. Okay, so do it again. Do it again. Alright, now do it with me. Stretch it. Go. Stretch it. Go. You gotta stretch it kind of a lot though. So make your slime, your butter slime very stretchy, and then it should work perfectly. Now this one's very nice, and yeah. So if you watch Mira and you're like, how do you do that? Here you go. I still like swinged over the arm. I keep not stretching it. Sorry, I was watching the video. So, yeah. So it's pretty easy once you get the memo. I'm still learning, so it's kind of hard right now. But see, I call it the slime whip instead of the slime flip, but I don't know. But yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on. And yeah, comment down below if this helped you. If you have slime and you really want to know, make sure it's with butter slime preferably, because the other slimes might get everywhere. And once you practice with your butter slime, maybe I'll teach you some more with different slimes, like glossy, maybe not run though, or sticky. Don't go sticky. But yeah, I'm gonna do it silently, and yeah. I keep messing up. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? I kind of messed up. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, love you. Bye. Hope this helps. And don't forget to comment down below if it was useful. And maybe you can learn with other slimes how to do that. But first, I would say practice with your butter slime if you have butter. But it's probably like the easiest because it's not like melty or, you know. But yeah, and then tell me if you want to see more with different slimes of me doing the same exact thing, just like with fluffy slime or, you know, those other slimes. So, bye guys!